This unique invention is more than just a spatula. It's a revolutionary step in cooking technology. The Thermospatch is designed to show the world that the secret to cooking greatness isn't a fancy phone app, but instead a good traditional thermostatic spatula. The Thermospatch will revolutionize the art of preparing outstanding cuisine. Cooks everywhere will rave about perfectly cooked food and the ingenious minds that brought it to life. It's time to roll out the new era of thermostatic spatula supremacy. With the Themospatch, achieving perfectly cooked meals every time is easy. This innovative thermometer takes the guesswork out of cooking, giving you precise temperature readings for any dish you're preparing. Whether it's a perfectly seared steak or the juiciest roasted chicken, the Thermospatch guarantees flawless results every time. Say goodbye to overcooked or undercooked meals. With the Thermospatch, you'll create delicious meals that satisfy every time. Get cooking with the Thermospatch starting now. Head over to the Thermospatch page on our website to sign up and ask Ricky, our knowledgeable AI language model assistant, any questions you have. He'll provide accurate and expert advice on how to utilize this amazing cook tool for perfect results every time. The Thermospatch is a great invention that has many benefits. It provides precise temperature control for food, which means that food is always perfectly cooked, and it minimizes the risk of food poisoning. It also has a sleek and user-friendly design with an ergonomic silicone grip for easy holding and a digital display, making it easy to monitor and control the temperature. Yes, it's no surprise that you experience burnt food. Cooking over an open fire can be pretty challenging, and it's easy to accidentally overcook food. Without a Thermospatch, it's difficult to accurately monitor the temperature and ensure that the food is cooked perfectly. Oh, I can imagine that cooking without a Thermospatch can be quite challenging. Cooking over a campfire can be a bit unpredictable, and it's difficult to monitor the internal temperature of the food being cooked. It certainly requires skill and experience to achieve the desired results without a reliable tool like the Thermospatch.